He could be your neighbor, the man smiling politely across the street. Maybe he serves you coffee every morning, his face a mask of normalcy. This is the chilling reality of a killer. They often hide in plain sight, their darkness veiled by an ordinary facade. But behind the normalcy lies a terrifying truth. Something within them is broken, a twisted reflection in the mirror of humanity. What creates this monster? Is it an evil imprinted in their DNA, or a darkness shaped by the world around them? The question has haunted us for centuries. We desperately seek answers, trying to unravel the enigma of the killer's mind. It's a journey into the abyss, a descent into the darkest corners of human psychology. We must confront our fears, staring into the face of evil to understand its origins. Only then can we begin to grasp the terrifying duality of nature versus nurture in crafting these agents of chaos. What lurks beneath the surface of a killer's psyche? Researchers and criminal profilers have identified chilling commonalities, the dark threads that weave through their minds. A lack of empathy is often the most striking trait. They see others as objects, pawns in their twisted games. This emotional void allows them to inflict unimaginable pain without a flicker of remorse. Paradoxically, these individuals can be disarmingly charming. Ted Bundy, a notorious serial killer, was known for his charisma, drawing his victims in with a charming smile and a believable facade. This manipulative charm is another hallmark of the killer's mind, a tool used to disarm and control. Psychologists call this the dark triad, a toxic cocktail of narcissism, Machiavellianism, and psychopathy. These traits, often intertwined, create a chilling portrait of a predator in human form. Are some people hardwired for violence? The discovery of the warrior gene, a variant of the MAOA gene, has ignited fierce debate. This gene, linked to aggression and impulsivity, is found in a higher percentage of violent criminals. Ted Bundy, for example, exhibited aggressive tendencies from a young age, raising questions about a possible genetic predisposition. Furthermore, abnormalities in brain structure, particularly in regions responsible for empathy and impulse control, have been observed in some killers. These findings suggest a biological component to violence. However, the presence of these markers doesn't create a monster. It's crucial to remember that genes are not destiny. They provide a blueprint, a predisposition, but not a guarantee. While biology lays the foundation, the environment can act as the architect, shaping and molding the individual. Childhood trauma, abuse and neglect can leave deep, festering wounds on the psyche. These experiences can warp perception, distort emotions, and create a breeding ground for darkness. Jeffrey Dahmer, a serial killer known for his horrific acts of cannibalism, endured a troubled childhood marked by neglect and social isolation. These experiences, while not excusing his actions, offer a glimpse into the formative power of nurture. Prolonged exposure to violence, both as a witness and a victim, can desensitize individuals, blurring the lines between right and wrong. The world becomes a dangerous place, and survival instincts, twisted by trauma, can manifest as aggression and violence. The nature versus nurture debate is not a battle to be won, but a spectrum to be understood. Most experts agree that killers aren't born, they're made, but the ingredients of their making are a complex blend of biology and experience. It's rarely one or the other, it's the deadly cocktail of the two that can ignite the darkness within. There are no born monsters, only those who are made so, wrote Marcus Zusak, capturing the essence of this chilling truth. The origin of a monster is a multifaceted enigma, a tapestry woven from genetic predisposition, environmental triggers, and the complex interplay between them. It's a haunting reminder that the potential for darkness resides within us all, but it's the interplay of nature and nurture that determines whether that potential will remain dormant or erupt into something truly monstrous.